Hello, we have a Jura E8 and I want to do a factory reset on it, but when I hit the P button I can't see the option.
How old is your Jura appliance?
12 months old.
How long has this been going on with your Jura? What have you tried so far?
It's the first time I have attempted a reset.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I replaced the water filter recently and the machine didn't recognize it and it came up with a message about no filter and I've accidentally hit yes, so I'm not sure what that means. The coffee has also been a little weaker than normal and we've not changed our brand of beans.
Hi, my name is with years in home improvement and general repairs. I will be happy to assist you. Give me a moment to review your question. If you receive a pop-up asking if you'd like a phone call, you can disregard that. That is an extra pay service JustAnswer offers from time to time. I can handle your question right here. Smile. I'm not that familiar with your particular machine, but I saw your question and thought I'd try to help out as I came across some information on how to do a hard factory reset on your machine. This is what I came across. Touch P on Jura coffee machine display. Click the machine setting symbol. Press until the factory setting is displayed. Tap factory setting. You will see reset the machine to the factory setting. You will accept that option. Saved message will appear briefly on the display and Jura E8 will be switched off. Your machine should be restored to the factory settings at that point. Please try that, and if it doesn't work, I'll open your question back up to see if someone else may have more information to provide you. Let me know if it works and thank you. Steve.
Hello Steve, thanks for getting back to me. The problem with the above is that when I tap on the P button there is no option for factory reset. I've scrolled through and can't see it. Any ideas?
That is very odd. Just to verify, take a look at this. This is page 26 of the instruction manual. Scroll down the page until you see where it shows the instructions for restore factory settings. Yours won't bring up the machine setting symbol after you have touched the P button. You should see the machine setting icon, touch that, then scroll with the arrow button on the machine to get to the factory setting option. Let me know. Here is that link to page 26 of the manual. https://www.manual/1644319/jura e8.html. Page equals 26. Thank you, Steve. Hi, I haven't heard back from you, so hopefully that last information did help. But let me know if you have any follow-up questions. Thank you so much. Steve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.